So, do you need to have more than one source of income? In the present situation, when many people had to start working from home in the last few months, when others lost their jobs and are now depending on government benefits or not, doesn't it make you think that we can be left with nothing from one moment to the other? Have you by any chance used some of that time at home under these new circumstances to explore and create new ways or source to generate income? Instead of relying on the job you might still have or not, and depend on a single source of income? Why not actually invest some of your time in an online opportunity that will allow you to create multiple sources of income? Last April 2019, due to a severe accident, I couldn't continue with my job, which was quite demanding physical wise. At that time, I was going through hard times, and that's when I came across an online educational platform that taught people how to build a business from scratch and sell products and service online. After 9 months, I was generating regular new income for my life from that activity as an entrepreneur and dedicating my time to get better at it and increasing that income to new levels. I'm now creating 3 sources of income, and all thanks to the knowledge and skill gotten on the way. I feel like a very lucky guy for having been present with this opportunity. But I also can see that this can help other people. People that may have been forced to work from home for one reason or another. The good news is they can use this time to explore alternative methods, more reliable and independent methods of earning and income. So be brave and take this step to become an entrepreneur. Nobody say it's easy. I can tell you it, and it was a very difficult to change from a construction mindset to a laptop's lifestyle and learning something totally new to me. But it is possible. With the help of a worldwide community that I find out, and the right knowledge and education put well together, this allowed a 57 years old a new start, a new path to success. I had no technical skills, according to I am sure many people too old to start a new career. I had no money to invest. I was standing on this uncertainty. This community helped me to overcome all these fears and provide me the training and support so I could be successful. Make yourself a favor. Click on the link below, and if you provide me your name and email, I will send you the same video series that I start with. I hope to meet you and have the pleasure to help you too inside this business community.